Good evening, YouTube. Bid number 3. Down here in North Carolina. What we got up here, the second one of the day. It was a 3-pill Dave made. And he wanted it into a 4-pill, 5-pill. So we done what he asked. It's got all Toshibas in it, and it had these two as original, and it had one here. It had a 2879 driving 2879, which is kind of weird. But so I took this one out. I took all these up, that whole section up, and put new peel strips up underneath them, and the transformer come out of it was kind of misshapen, kind of weird. This one came out of it. Looks like this thing looks like it was in a mud puddle. It had dirt all in it, and looked like it'd been wet, and it done soaked down, kind of like pond scum, whatever on it. We took that out of it and put two more transformers in it. I had two that was matching. That's about all them I got left. And the board was all hadn't been cleared or nothing like that, so I cleared it before I went back. But I redid it, retuned the output, done an output combiner and the input combiner, and like I said, these are two original, and I moved this one over to here, so this one's added and this one's added, and it's 2290 right there. But yeah, she's getting on down now. Fan's all cleaned up. It was real bad. It's got a few little spots on it, but we can let that go because it's going to be used. But we're going did have a preamp somebody put on it. I know Joe up here didn't do that, and we took that out for us. He said he never used it, so we took that out and put all new screws in it. All the screws was rusted real bad. One of them was wrung off in the back, and one of them in the side right here was stripped out, so I had to cut it out, put new ones in. I really need to put them in new, polish them up or something. I forgot about them. Ain't nobody perfect. And I put new hot and ground wire on it. Moved the ground up here where it ought to be. And here we go. Stock radio again. It's 5-watt radio. Modulation turned up. 1000-watt slug. Turn the amp off. Talk through. Audio. Talk through. Looking good. Turn it back on. Audio. About flat. Audio. That's what? Still looking through the phone. Audio. About 300. You gotta remember it is a 2290 driving it, and this thing can take a little bit more drive since it's got Toshibas in it. That's the difference between the HGs. You just need one 2879 driving forward, and you got plenty. But Toshibas take a little bit more drive, and that's about the only difference. I like HGs better in a way, but these take a little bit more drive to produce the same amount of watts. Alright, so it was 300 bird. Go to peak. Audio. That's 800. Like I said, that's what it's stock radio driving it. Turn it off. Turn the switch box. Now this one is about 10 watts per. I think it's 9. But anyways. Let's see what she can do with this one. Audio. It's back on peak. Oh, picking a little feedback up. Keep your mic down. Audio. A little key in it. Set the key. Alright. Audio. That's about 850 right there for that radio. Let's see what's turn the peak kit off. See what's doing on average. Audio. 450. I've seen 500. But there you go. Reflex. Audio. Nice, good, and low. So she's ready to go. Ready to go. So y'all have a good one. Be number 3 down here. And again, as my information, get a hold of me if you need me. I'm pretty much always available. I'll talk to anybody, I don't care. Have a good one. Later.